but today I'm holding this Communication Weaver Award, and I'm very proud and I'm very happy also. You can always come in like an empty slate and go back like a completely filled, refined book, and that is something I really liked about CDA. എൻ്റെ പേര് Elizabeth. I'm from batch 44 at CDA. My story of coming to CDA is not very common because I began my journey as a teacher. I was working as a teacher in Trivandrum for a few years until COVID. Since it was a special school, the school had to shut down. That was the point where I realized that, okay, what do I really want to do? So during that time, another friend of mine who was into digital marketing, she suggested that, why don't you try marketing? So that is how I started researching about digital marketing. And I DM'd CDA, a few of the people that CDA follows on their Instagram page, and they replied to me within a day or two, and they gave me very positive feedback. But everybody had something positive to say, and I thought, this is not paid, this is something honest, this is something that they're saying out of their genuine belief, and they're all doing pretty well. I even went and searched their portfolios, and I realized that they're doing pretty well. I realized that this could really be helpful to me, and I just decided on the spot to contact CDA, and they were very prompt. They had so much of team building sessions, there were speak up sessions, there were so many things that they did to boost the confidence of the students, apart from teaching just the technical side. To also see how far we've all come, it's quite wonderful, honestly. So thanks to CDA for that, and I would recommend this academy to anybody else who's looking to grow in the creative field and also in technical skills.